Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a zigzag content flow using custom shapes in Photoshop. I begin by opening Photoshop and creating a tall canvas. Then I draw alternating rectangle shapes left and right. Now I connect them using arrow custom shapes. After that I vary background colors slightly. Next I add text blocks inside each section. Now I align content following zigzag direction. Then I add subtle shadows to each block. After that I keep spacing consistent vertically. Now the flow feels dynamic. Then I zoom out to check readability. After that I refine arrow alignment. Now movement feels smooth. Finally I polish spacing and contrast. This flow layout now feels engaging.